Hello students, today we are going to discuss how to attempt the PISA test on the PISA portal. On the google.com, search PISA CCT. The first link, that login PISA CCT, is your login page. Click on this link. Enter your username and password. This username and password has been provided to you by your class teacher. For the first time login, username and passwords are same. So enter your details. Same password. Click login. If it is your first time login, it will ask you to change the password. So use any password which is easy for you to remember. In the confirm password section, enter the same password you have entered above. Then enter your email ID and your mobile number. If your mobile number is not correct, contact your teacher, he will update. After that, click submission. Password changed successfully. After changing the password, please re-log in using your user ID and enter the new password you have created. Click login. So this interface will come in front of you. Click on the question paper. Here you have both the question paper, CCT 6 and CCT 7, in English medium as well as in the Hindi medium. If you are going to attempt in the English medium, click CCT 6 if you want to attempt the CCT 6 question paper. If you want to attempt the CCT 7 question paper, then click CCT 7. Suppose we are going to click CCT 6. So click here. The complete PDF of CCT 6 is available to you. Now this PDF has 30 questions and each question has 4 options A, B, C, D, and any one of out of these 4 options is the correct one. So note down all the options for each question on your notebook. Like for the first question A part, for the B question, second question C part, for third question D part, and for 30th question A part. Like this, choose the appropriate options for all the 30 questions and note down in your notebook. After doing this work, come again to PISA CCT website and click on CCT test. Click on CCT test. Select your academic year. Select your CCT 6. If you are going to enter CCT 6 answers, if you want to enter CCT 7 answers, then click CCT 7. Suppose we are entering CCT 6 answers, put answers in all the blank space given in front of questions. Remember, do not leave blank. If you will leave blank, it will not be saved. Enter A, B, C, D for answers or N for no option. Suppose you want to put N for this question. So click N. After that, click save or submit. Data submitted, updated successfully. This was the first step. The second step is click on lock test. Select academic year, select CCT 6. See, your field data is already saved here. Just click on the lock button and your answers will be sent to your class teacher. So the important thing here, first is you have to log in and change your password. Second step, download the question paper and solve in your notebook. Third step, click on CCT test, select your details and enter the answers for CCT 6. Fourth step, click on lock test, enter your details and click lock, and your answers will be submitted successfully to your class teacher. That's all for today. Thank you very much.